Hello, grade 7, and welcome to the third session of our lesson, which is prime numbers. Before we start, let's make a small exercise just to review the explained part. Answer by true or false. Is 31 a prime number? Think. What numbers multiplied together to give me 31? Just 1 and 31. So 31 is a prime number. It has only two factors or two divisors. So it's true. Every odd number is prime. What are the odd numbers? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Are all of them prime? Think, is 9 a prime number? No, because 9 is divisible by 3, so it's false. Example, 9 is a composite number. 1 is an odd prime number. We said that 1 is neither odd nor composite number. Is 129 is not a prime number. It means a composite number. Let's try. Is it divisible by 2? No. Is it divisible by 3? Let's add. 9 plus 2, it's 11. Plus 1, it's 12. So it's divisible by 3. So true, it's not prime. It's a composite number. Any prime number other than 2 is odd. Is it true or false? They are telling me that all the prime numbers are odd except for 2. From the explanation, we said that 2 is the only even prime number. So it's true. All the prime numbers are odd. 2 is the only even prime number. Yes, it's true. 0 is not prime. What do you think? True. 0 has more than 2 divisors. It has a lot of divisors. 0 could be divisible by any number, and we said that the numbers are classified between prime and composite numbers are 2 and above. Any even number is not prime? Yes, it's true. It's because it's divisible by 2, but pay attention. 2 is even and prime, so it's false because 2 is the only even prime number. Any even number other than 2 is not prime? Yes, this is true because all even numbers are composite number except for 2. Okay, before we continue, we said that we need the divisibility rules in our lesson, so we have to study them and review them. The numbers that are divisible by 2, the ones digit must be even. The ones digit must be 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. The number that is divisible by 3, the sum of digits, we have to add the digits. Their sum must be divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 5 if the ones digit is 0 or 5. And a number is divisible by 10 if the ones digit is 0. Okay, now we have to know how to decompose a number. To decompose a number, it means writing it as a product of prime factors, writing it in the form of multiplication of prime numbers. We can decompose a number in two ways, by tree method, which you know it from grade 6, and the new one is the prime decomposition, or we call it the prime factorization. Okay, let's see how to write 40 as a product of prime numbers using a tree method. It's very easy. 4 times 10, and we decompose 4, then we decompose 2 to get 2 to the power cubed times 5. Another example, decompose 132 into prime factors using the tree method. It's 2 times 66, and we decompose 66, then we decompose the 6 to get 132 is equal to 2 squared times 3 times 11. Now, let's take the application, which is written on your worksheet. Find the prime factorization or decomposition of 30. I can decompose it in two ways. or two methods. The first one is the tree method. That is familiar to you. 30 is 3 times 10, 10 which is equal to 2 times 5. So the answer is 2 times 3 times 5. Now, look at the second way. The second way, it's new to you, but it's easy. Put 30 here, and we have to use only prime factors. 30 is divisible by 2, so the answer will be 15. We write here the answer. 15 is divisible by 3 and by 5. If I divide it by 3, the answer is 5. We are putting here the answers and here the factors. To the right are the factors. 5 divided by 5 will give me 1. So 30 is equal, look here at the prime factors to the right, it's equal to 2 times 3 times 5. Okay, let's make some practice. We have to decompose 48 and 150 using the prime decomposition, okay? Using this method. We said that we write the number to the left and write the prime factors to the right. We can use only prime factors. 48 is an even number, so we can divide it by 2. Divided by 2, we write the answer to the left, which is 24. Now I start over again, okay, like the beginning, like from the beginning. 24, think it's an even number, so it's divisible by 2. We write the divisor to the right and the answer to the left. 24 divided by 2 will give me 12. Again, 12 is an even number, it's divisible by 2, so we write the answer here, it's 6. Think with 6. 6 is an even number, so it's divisible by 2. 6 divided by 2 will give me 3. 3 is a prime number, so 3 I can divide it only by itself and 1. 3 divided by 3, the answer will be 1. When I get 1, it means now I'm over with the division. So now I have to collect the prime factors. 48 is equal, taking the factors to the right, 2 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4 times 3. Okay, starting with 150. 150, it has many divisors, but 150, the ones digit is 0. Okay, a number starts with 0, it's divisible by 10. But here I can't divide it by 10 because 10 is not a prime number. Take it as a hint. We can write 2 times 5 instead of 10. So we are not using a composite number, but at the same time I'm dividing by 10. What's the meaning of 2 times 5? 2 times 5, it means 10. So 150 divided by 10, the answer will be 15. And you can divide it just by 2 or just by 5 or just by 3. But dividing it by 2 times 5, which is mean dividing it by 10, will make the work easier. Okay, the answer will be 15. Now 15 is divisible by 3 and by 5. You can choose either 3 or 5. Dividing it by 5, the answer will be 3. Now I get 3, a prime number. 3 is only divisible by 1 or itself. 3 divided by 3 to give me 1, and now I'm done. Now collecting the prime numbers to the right, 150 is equal to 2 times 5 squared times 3. Okay? And this is the end of session 3. Thank you for watching.